Okay, in this video we're checking out the AOSENMA CG033. This is a GPS drone with brushless motors. I think they're 1408 sized. Supposedly has follow me mode with GPS in the transmitter, but not sure if that's going to work. And I saw some of the videos where they said that the transmitter did not have GPS in it, so we'll see how that goes. It does have a small camera here in the front on a stabilizing one-axis gimbal, so it will go up and down as the drone changes pitch, and you can also control the angle of the camera with these controls here on the transmitter. The arms do fold in, so the arms fold in on the back normally to the forward position, but then the ones on the front, they actually rotate downwards, so you want to be make sure you read the instructions. 3-cell battery on this one. They claim 20 minutes of flight time. No micro SD card recording for the video. It's 720p video recording back to your phone via Wi-Fi FPV. And then here's the controller. Got your typical centering throttle for altitude hold. You have return to home, follow me mode, headless mode, orbit mode. This is your rates or speed, and then one-touch takeoff. And then over here on the top is your photo and video buttons, and then the camera gimbal angle adjustment buttons here. These antennas are not real. There's no wires to go through. The antennas are internal, and uses 4 AAA batteries to power the transmitter. And there's actually telemetry that comes back to the screen here from the drone, GPS satellites, speed, height, that kind of stuff, and also battery voltage. Okay, so go ahead and turn the drone on, and we've got some flashing lights underneath here. Power on the transmitter, then bind by throttling up and down, and then we have to do a gyroscope calibration and compass calibration, and then we also have to wait for the GPS satellites to lock in. For the gyroscope calibration, it's going to be this stick orientation here. Left one up and to the right, and then the right one to down and to the right. And then you get some beeps from the transmitter. And then for the compass calibration, you're going to do the opposite. And then you got to do this weird dance with the drone once you hear a beep from the transmitter. Okay, so we have that is done and beeped. We have some flashing lights. We have to wait for the GPS to lock, and it's currently 0 satellites. While we're waiting for that, we'll go ahead and connect up the Wi-Fi from my phone. Okay, we've got the phone connected and we have video coming back. And show you here that the angle of the camera changes with the pitch tilt of the drone. And we can also control this with the controller. See the camera pointing downwards. And we have 7 satellites still blinking, so I don't think we can take off yet. Yeah. I think requires like maybe 10? I don't remember exactly. But battery's already come down a little bit. So it doesn't seem to have a lock yet. It says it has 7 satellites, but I'm seeing the battery drain while I'm just sitting here. So I'm going to fly it a little bit, see how stable it is. So first you have to unlock the motors. It's down and out, and then hit the one-touch takeoff button. So we'll go ahead and unlock the motors. And hit takeoff. There it goes. So yeah, I can see that it's drifting. It's actually drifting quite a lot. Since I'm at 9 satellites now, still blinking. It's not very stable. It's drifting quite a lot. It is drifting with the wind. Oh, there it goes. I got a beep from the transmitter. And you can see now how it's not drifting anymore. So you do have to kind of wait a while for it to lock. But now you can see now it's not drifting around anymore. It's pretty steady. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start recording video on the drone. And pretty quiet, the props are pretty quiet. Noticing that there's a lot of latency in the sticks. Not really responding very quickly. Yaw is okay. Roll. Yes, the pitch is a little laggy. I don't know what's interesting. Something happened on the screen. It took a picture. I don't know why, or maybe it has something to do with the gesture mode. Very strange. Alright, so yeah, there's definitely a lag in the controls. It doesn't respond right away, which is not very, doesn't give me a lot of confidence. Go ahead, I'm going to fly it. Let's just get some video. I'm not going to take it too far. Yeah, I think it has something to do with control distance, which is not very far. I think it's going into return to home mode because I have actually no control. You can see, oh, well now I do. Okay, so the range of this is extremely limited. I'm not very far away at all. So this is yeah, this is not good. I think that's why I'm getting all that lag. I was up there for a little bit and had actually no control. I thought I was going to go into return to home mode. So I think I was not even 10 meters away, and it was losing control. So this is not a good sign. And I'm like right here, and it's, you can see I'm moving the stick, nothing's happening. I'm not really sure what's up with that. Yeah. It seems to be in some sort of weird photo mode. It keeps taking photos. This is very bizarre. Okay, so yeah, I'm not exactly sure what's up with this one. Seems like the app might need some more work, and the follow me mode doesn't work on this one, so I'm thinking that the stories I've been hearing about the no GPS in the transmitter is true. So supposedly being a follow me mode drone doesn't seem to be true, and then the fact it doesn't have a micro SD card on board and only 720p video, it's a little bit disappointing, and the controls are very laggy. I think it says as a range issue, so I'm gonna have to open this up and see what the antenna looks like, or maybe do some sort of an antenna mod, because it was only like, you know, a few meters away, and I had no control of it, and so that's pretty scary. So yeah, I can't recommend this drone. I will see what's going on with this. Maybe they'll have some updates. I may have a future video for you guys on this one. If you guys are interested in some more information on this, let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.